Well, Ridhima, welcome to Coffee Time with Griha. I'm so glad that you are here to have some coffee, although virtually, with me before you enter the house. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
How's the feeling? How's the feeling right before entering the house?
Well, I'm a bundle of nerves. I'm super, super nervous. But I'm also very excited because it's a new journey that I'm embarking on. And I'm actually very, very excited.
Which side of Ridhima is the audience going to see while she is inside the house? What is it that will be the most visible to people who don't know you other than what you have been on screen?
Um, I mean, I'm just like everyone else. Everybody, that they've got some trigger points. There's something that makes you angry. I'm also a very impulsive person, but I I think my strength and my weakness is both my vulnerability. I'm very honest about things that affect me, and maybe that usually works against me. And this is not the place to be vulnerable. But if being myself counts as being vulnerable, I'm okay with it, because the only way you can move ahead in this game is by being yourself.
Right, right. So, what was the reaction? I mean, I'm sure the word gets out. People have started to, pour in with their congratulatory messages. But do you remember any funny messages or DMs? People sliding into your DMs जब उनको पता चला अच्छा आप Big Boss OTT जा रहे हो?
तो क्या होता है, ज्यादातर हम एज एक्टर्स जो कैरेक्टर्स दर्शाते हैं उसमें वी आर वेरी मेलो, और आई मीन स्पेशली आई गेट ऑफर्ड रोल्स व्हिच आर वेरी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर, टफ बट वेरी असर्टिव. सो दे ऑल हैव अ पर्टिकुलर इमेज अबाउट मी. दे थिंक कि मतलब काफी मुझे डीएम्स आए कि दीदी मत कीजिए बिग बॉस, आप इतने स्वीट हो, आप सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे, आप ये मतलब दे केयर फॉर मी. इट्स देयर लव दैट्स स्पीकिंग. बट I want the world to see the fighter side of me. I am a fighter. I do not give up. तो जैसे कि मेरे दोस्त लोग, एक दो दोस्तों को तो पैनिक अटैक आ गया और बोले रीमा तू जा रही है, तू कैसे करेगी, मुझे नहीं लग रहा तू कर पाएगी, तुझे तो इतना गुस्सा आता है, कभी तू सोडा बॉटल की तरह. बोलते हम तो तेरे दोस्त हैं, हम ले लेते हैं वहां पे, सब नहीं ये करेंगे. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, तो सॉरी बोल दूंगी, और क्या करूंगी, गुस्सा आया उसके बाद तो यू नो अब सब खेलने आए हैं वहां पर. सो इट्स ओके, आई एम गोना बैटल इट आउट. आई लाइक व्हेन आई टोल्ड माय फादर, आई सेड पापा मैंने साइन कर दिया है बिग बॉस. सो ही सेड क्यों, मतलब कैसे करोगी. मैं बोला कर लूंगी, आपकी बेटी हूँ, कर लूंगी.
So I'm sure everybody must be asking you what made you say yes to Big Boss and everything. I'll just turn the question around and ask you from your perspective. What do you think, the Big Boss makers saw in you that they approached you to doing this? What is that one factor
Good question.
of Rhythmas that the makers would want to be for you to be a part of the show?
I like this twist in your question. Good one. This has got me thinking. Actually, I'm not the right person to answer this, but I do feel that I could be an asset to the show. I could bring something interesting to the table. I have the ability to entertain people by just being me. So maybe they've seen that side of me, because I've also worked with them in Khatro Ke Khiladi. I'm a very self-assured person. Maybe that's one of the qualities that they were looking for. So these things could work in my favor.
अच्छा, और अगर रिद्धिमा को कॉफी नहीं मिली for 30 days on end, what side of yours will we see? Because कॉफी तो लग्जरी है जो आप अभी पी रहे हो इतने ज्यादा.
कोई बात नहीं, कॉफी नहीं मिलेगी तो मैं चाय पी लूंगी. मैं अडेप्ट भी बहुत जल्दी कर लेती हूँ लाइफ में. इट्स ओके.
बट हम चाहते हैं कि आप खूब सारी कॉफी पिए. तो दिस नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट आई लाइक टू कॉल सिप एंड स्पिल. रिद्धिमा, आई वांट यू टू स्पिल सम बीन्स हियर ऑन माय शो. गिव यू दीज इंस्टेंसेस. अगर आपको लगता है या आपकी जिंदगी में वो हुआ है, लगता है क्या, अगर हुआ है वो जिंदगी में, तो सिप लीजिए, कहानी बताइए मुझे उसके पीछे की. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
So take a sip. If you have done something really, really stupid to impress a guy ever in your life, be it in school, in college, or real life, abhi, hal filhal mein, ended up making a fool of yourself, trying to impress someone.
Nah, people do
You're
that.
too smart like
Hmm,
that. Huh?
I don't do it.
Okay, since you're going to be in front of so many cameras, one thing, take a sip if you remember your very first time you were in front of a professional camera.
Oh, of course, that's an unforgettable moment of my life. And I was very nervous and I was yelled at. I remember I gave some 55 takes. It was an ad for a soap bar, and all I had to do was this and go like, no, 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 something like that, like really coy. And I just kept doing something opposite of what the director asked me to do. On the 50th take, he lost it. He said, "What are you doing?" And I was like, oh my God, I can't do this. I'm not cut out for this. So yeah, that was my first.
Okay. Since you were also mentioning fights and you fight it out and everything, we've also seen you in another reality show. Take a sip if you've ever gotten into like a proper fight, brawl in real life.
Like the
Physical fight.
verbal brawl, yes, never physical.
Never physical. Never physical.
Verbal brawl for sure. Now that I can't tell you what it was, but it was nasty. It was, written about and blown out of proportion. But again, like mature people, we sorted it.
Okay. Take a sip if you had a really funny or a really nasty audition experience.
Funny, yes. Funny, yes, because the first time I ever went, like the first few times that I went for an audition, it was of a chocolate bar. So I said, where is the chocolate bar? How do I enact on a marker pen? So I was unraveling the marker pen and then having it ruined my complete performance. So I've had very such funny audition.
Okay. All right. Ever take a sip if you've ever received a love letter in your life.
Okay. In school I did. In college I didn't because I had a boyfriend back then, so nobody had the guts to send me love letters.
Right.
But now I get a lot of fan mail, but I think I received a love letter in school. Oh, wo bhi kya pyar tha.
Oh, sweet. Okay, take a sip. This is my next one. I got a cue from your answer. Take a sip if you had somebody sliding into your DMs with a proper marriage proposal.
Oh God. Oh, you have to see the confidence people come in my DM with. I want to marry you. You have to marry me. I live here. My complexion is this. Another level. I feel like posting sometimes.
Height bhi batate.
Sab.
Okay, all right. Take a sip if you have ever sung in public.
If I've ever
sung, गाना कभी गाया है public में?
अरे भाई इस पे तो बहुत ही अच्छी स्टोरी सुनते हैं. एक बार karaoke night था. My friends, so I said I'll choose a Britney Spears song and I started singing it. And इतना मैंने खराब गाया कि वो लोग ने वो मेरा माइक ही बंद कर दिया और फिर मैं ऐसे टप टप अप कर रही हूँ माइक को. मैं बोला ये मेरा आवाज क्यों जा रहा है? आप तो बोला माइक बंद कर दिया है मैम. It was so bad. Yes.
Okay. All right. Take a sip if you've ever been starstruck on your shoot set.
Oh my God, all the time. All the time. मेरी कॉफी खत्म हो जाएगी आपके सवालों में, but yes, I've been very, very starstruck. The first time I ever saw Salman Khan, the first time I ever saw Shah Rukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan, my God. But मैं starstruck बस I think Hrithik तक ही रही हूँ.
Okay, all right. Take a sip if you remember a crazy fan encounter, or if you ever had a very, very crazy fan encounter.
Well, not yet. My fans haven't managed to freak me out yet. They've just been very sweet.
So take a sip if you remember your very first one, very first fan encounter.
Oh yeah. Oh, it was very, very special. Where I live, there is a bit of a dingy basement area, so I was coming back from a late night shoot, not very late, around 10ish, and there were these two Sardarjis who followed me. And when I got out and suddenly they're like really huge and strong and they go like Ridhima ji. So I just, because I was deep asleep in my car because I was so tired from my shoot. And I just got scared and I said, yes. And then my driver got out, my watchman came running. I said, wait 1 second, what is it? So they said, we saw you the signal, so we followed you. We just want to tell you that we are your big fans. And I said, thank you so much. I said, they're like, why don't you come in movies? I said, pray for me. They said, yes, we'll pray for you. So that was my first ever encounter. Wow. And it felt great.
Wow, that's really, really lovely. And before I let you go, Ridhima, you have to tell me whether inside the Bigg Boss's house, if at all you have to choose between these three options, will you be flamboyant? Will you be controversial? Or will you play safe?
I'll be flamboyant. I am a flamboyant person. So there is no escaping my real personality.
Okay, that will be lovely to see, and we are looking forward to watching you from inside the house. You watching us from there, from however you can, and we watching you from outside here, so that you play well and obviously do us proud, do all your fans proud, keep shining like you do. Thank you so much for
Thank
doing
you
this.
so much for your kind words.
Thank you. You take care.
Thank you, Priya.
Bye.
Bye.